was a neuroscience major and biomedical science and enterprise major at Georgia State University. I remember my professor of Principles of Neuroscience 1 bringing up the central nervous system and how in the CNS, which consists of the brain and spinal cord, microglia are the only immune cells present. I then thought to myself, if that's the case, couldn't that pose a problem when it comes to infectious diseases? Furthermore, couldn't this pose a problem for how the central nervous system clears itself of cellular debris? And well, guess what? That is an issue, and this is why diseases like Alzheimer's disease occur, as plaque in the brain builds up, which causes memory problems, because the neurons aren't able to properly communicate due to the collection of these proteins. However, microglia actually accelerate this process as well, because they are actually more active in these alpha-beta plaque areas, and that leads to further neurodegeneration. So let's think of a kind of illustrative example. Think of you're playing telephone and you have two cans. Someone puts their hand in between those two cans, causing a communication disruption. That can also be applied to plaque buildup, which again is proteins. And these proteins then build up, and these proteins disrupt cell communication in the brain, which leads to problems in people with Alzheimer's disease. So as we fight against plaque buildup of these proteins, what are some treatment options? And it's quite complicated because studies show that while microglia can aid in cleanup, it also may accelerate the buildup of plaque in the brain. Therefore, researchers are looking for ways that can influence microglia in order to fight against neurodegenerative diseases. So, how do we address this? Studies in mouse models show that reducing microglia-driven inflammation can lower plaque levels and actually improve cognition. Other approaches include activating protective pathways like TREM2 or reprogramming microglia to support brain health. As microglia research is evolving and adapting quickly, it is a super exciting area of research that I hope to contribute to in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, my name is Tafara Bio, and it is nice to meet you. Have a good day.